Okay.
Yes, I can hear you. I
Yes.
can hear you. My
Yes. Now your voice is there with us. Please go ahead.
Yeah. So I was just saying that let me just give you some brief, some insights that I had beforehand, but I did not think that it would result in such a scenario. I know some teachers who were involved in the CBSE checking, and they told me that so there were these systems in which they had to log in, the teachers had to log in and check through those systems. But some people also told me that they could log in from their homes, which I thought was not part of the CBSE's plan. So if I believe that if a big institution like CBSE organization like that goes into a new mode, a new modality for checking of scripts or anything like that, they should have run the system 6 months back only, because I know the teachers were trained just a month back only to just to initiate into the system. So I think there must have been some loopholes which I think could result, yes, but definitely if there are lakhs of students sitting for an exam and they are dependent on that system for their future careers, this should not have happened at all. You do not leave any scope for any kind of errors in that. So I think this is a big gamble with the students' lives. This should be corrected. I don't know how it can be corrected now, because if scripts which were not clear have been checked just like that, which I think the CBSE director also claimed, if people could log into the system from outside the CBSE, the whatever that portal is, if they could log in from sitting at their homes, if the passwords could have been compromised, other people could have been using those passwords, and as Nisagra has showed it also. So I think CBSE should have done something really good job, which I believe it's a good system, but I think when you go on to a new system, there will be flaws, but you cannot play with the lives of the students, because many of the students are dependent upon this system to decide upon their future careers. If there is if there are mistakes in their checking, their marks go down, then there would be a problem with them not being able to choose the right careers. So I think this is a big lacuna on the part of the CBSE. They should have checked in their systems 6 months back, done a trial run, check if everything is fine or not. Because I remember being part of DU also. DU had done it during COVID times. So I think